Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that can breathe new life into your trusty Lenovo Thinkpad. We're looking at the OWC 16GB DDR4 2400MHz SODIMM, specifically model PC 4-19200 with a CL17 latency and operating at 1.2V. This memory module is a 260-pin non-ECC SODIMM, designed to be compatible with a range of Lenovo ThinkPad models, including the T495, T570, T580, and X270. For those unfamiliar, RAM, or random access memory is crucial for multitasking and overall system responsiveness. A RAM upgrade can significantly improve your laptop's performance, especially if you frequently work with multiple applications, large files, or demanding software. The OWC module boasts a speed of 2400 MHz, which is a solid upgrade for older systems that might be running slower memory. The CL17 latency indicates the delay in accessing data, and while lower is generally better, CL17 is perfectly acceptable for this speed and offers a good balance of performance and affordability. The fact that it's a 1.2V module is also noteworthy. This lower voltage can contribute to slightly better battery life and reduced heat output compared to modules with higher voltages. This is particularly beneficial for laptops like the ThinkPads mentioned, which are often used on the go. Compatibility is key, and this OWC module is specifically designed to work with the Lenovo ThinkPad T495, T570, T580, and X270. Always double-check your laptop specifications to ensure compatibility before purchasing any RAM upgrade. Installing RAM is generally a straightforward process, but it's always a good idea to consult your laptop's manual or watch a tutorial video if you're unsure. Overall, the OWC 16GB DDR4 2400MHz SODIMM appears to be a reliable and cost-effective way to boost the performance of compatible Lenovo ThinkPads. If you're experiencing slowdowns or struggling with multitasking, this RAM upgrade could be just what you need to get your laptop running smoothly again.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.